Here we are in San Antonio, Riverwalk. You can see the San Antonio, whatever that thing is, that needle I guess it is. There's a restaurant at the top. We didn't go there, but we're staying at the Westin. Very nice hotel, San Antonio. Had dinner. Christmas time, they got all the lights on the Riverwalk. So we walked down there. It's pretty awesome. I think I did the Riverwalk once 15 years ago. And it's much better now than it was then. But yeah, we're on the 15th floor of the Westin. And so the boats go down the river and we can holler at them when they go by. So that's kind of cool. And everybody's singing Christmas carols and you can see the penthouse to the hotel next door, which is pretty cool. It's got a heated pool right there. I don't know if it's a pool, it's more like a hot tub, but you see steam coming off of it. Looks like a pretty good deal there for whoever's staying there. There's one of those boats down there. Hey! See, I holler at them. They love it. There's another boat. Yeah, this is pretty cool. If you've never been to the San Antonio Riverwalk, you need to book yourself a hotel. Right on it. And we ate at the restaurant here. Zoka, I think was the name of it, at the Westin. And it was really good, and it wasn't that expensive. It was like 13 bucks for a vegetarian pizza. Came with the room, so that was pretty good. Got a $75 credit. So we'll get up in the morning and have breakfast. So it was about 250 bucks by the time you get done with parking and everything. But we're not regretting it. Christmas walk down the Riverwalk in San Antonio is pretty cool. I invite everybody to try it out. Anyway, it's awesome. Look, now the needle's totally covered with clouds. But it's probably like 65 degrees. It's nice out. It's not raining or anything, and December 16th, 65 degrees, pretty nice. San Antonio, Texas. Come on down. See ya.